Ramlila literally means Rama's play. It's a performance of Ramayana epic in the form of series of scenes that included songs, narration, recited dialogue. It's performed the whole northern India during the festival of Dashera, held each year according to the ritual calendar around the month of October and November. It is said that the great saint Goswami Tulsidas started a tradition of Ram Leela in the 16th century. In the ancient time, during the performances of Ram Leela, slokas recited backstage while actors mimicked on stage. Ram Leela is particularly focused on recalling the battle between Rama and Ravana. Ram Leela is performed across India, but most representative Ram Leelas are organized in northern India at Ayodhya, Ramnagar and Banaras, Vrindavan, Almora, Satna and Madhubani. The famous Ramleela of Ramnagar is enacted in the traditional style that lasts for almost a month. The traditional staging of Ramleela fair is held at Ramnagar. It was started by the Kashi Naresh Maharaj Udit Narayan Singh in year 1830. It got fame in all areas of Varanasi and its nearby areas. Hundreds of sadhus visit Ramnagar especially to watch and recite the Ramayana. Special structures are built at the various places of town to represent the different settings like Panchavati, Ashokvatika or Lanka. The local changes with every episode and the audience along with the actors shift to the new setting. At the closing of each episode daily, an aarti is executed by the priest with the chants of Har Har Mahadev and Raja Ramchandra Ki Jai. Usually, the role of female character is performed by the male in disguised manner. Another remarkable aspect of Ramnagar's Ram Leela is that it is untouched by technology. Treatment of a stage is sober without the use of electronic light, mics or loudspeakers. The glory of Lord Rama is portrayed with such intensity on the stage that brings tears in the eyes of a spectator. Ram Leela culminates with the Shehra. It is started by the parade of Kashi Naresh rides on colorful elephants. Hundreds of priests are there to recite Ramcharitmanas text. When Ravana's effigy is burnt with his brother Kumbhakaran and son Meghnad, everyone celebrates the victory of good over evil. The greatness of Ram Leela is that it brings the whole population together without the distinction of caste, religion or age.
Ramlila at Ramnagar held for a month, along with a huge fair at ground. The Shara festival starts as the Sharad Navratras. Ram Avatar is considered as the seventh living form of Lord Vishnu. Ramlila has more importance in the Indian culture. At most places in India, Ramlila held in Awadhi version of the Ramayana. Ramlila during Dasara attract the global attention of the people. The environment become full of sound of the audience there. After all, an attractive jhaki is presented there in front of the fort on the last day of Ramlila. Over a million pilgrims arrive there. Ramlila theatre inherits the theatrical style of the Ras Leela theatre of the religion just south of Delhi. Music, costumes, makeup and the other staging convention in the Ramlila resemble closely their counterparts in Ras Leela. Ras Leela troupes sometimes keep a few episodes from the Ramlila cycle in their repertoire. Ramlila on earth began with a ceremonial procession of the characters, which includes king, prince, sage, soldiers, monkey, Ravan, and the army of the evil. In Indian traditional art forms, dance and music are very integral part. However, with Ram Lila in its classic form, the dance is not so much prevalent. The musical instruments used during the performance are the commonly includes dholak, harmonium and flute.
The town of Ramnagar is famous all over the world for its unique creation Ram Leela, performed for 31 days during Ashvina. This performance is an example of environmental theatre in natural setting. A large number of people come here to see the Ram Leela and to enjoy its several episodes every day. So, here we are going to tell you that what are the events which are enacted on this stage in Ram Leela. During the first 10 days, we find there is the birth of Ravan, Jhanki, and the professional drama where the actors move from place to place and exchange their dialogues from each other. After the birth of Ravan, at the second day, we see there is the birth of Lord Rama. Then there is Tarka Vad, Ram Sita Vivah, Dhanush Yagya, Ko Bhavan, Ram Vanagaman, दशरथ दाह संस्कार भरत मनावन अयोध्या प्रस्थान जयंत नेत्रभंग सबरी मंगल बालीवध लंका दहन रामेश्वरम पूजन लंका प्रस्थान अंगद विस्तार लक्ष्मण शक्ति कुंभकर्ण एंड मेघनाथ वध राम रावण युद्ध विजयादशमी अग्नि परीक्षा भरत मिलाप राज्याभिषेक एंड द लास्ट वन इज भोर की आरती. At the last day of Ram Leela, there is Sankadhit Sanak Sanandan Kaur Vidai, which means that it happens to be the day of Purnima, when the king of Ramnagar gives farewell to all the characters of Ram Leela by inviting them at his home and serving them delicious food. After that, he gives them gifts. All the characters go there through the elephants.
Bharat Milap is very important part of Ram Leela that is organized in India during the Sharadiya Navratra. This legend festival represents the end of the Ramayana. The absence of Bharat Milap, famous Ram Leela, is not completed. Bharat Milap is annually on the day after Vijayadashmi at Natemli in Varanasi. The legend festival based on relationship between Sri Ram and his brother Bharat Milap is enactment of the reunion of Sri Ram with his brothers after 14 years. Four brothers Sri Ram, Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughan is according to Mahant Purushottam Mishra the fifth of Ekadashi. It is years ago. The Lord Rama come to the earth in this place at the moment. He told that Tulsidas was written the Ramcharitmanas on the ghat of Varanasi. According to Mahant, this festival, Medha Bhagat, the disciple of Tulsidas, namely the Bharat Milap organized in the light of sunset. A strong crowd of people keeps on waiting to watch this scene of few minutes. A large number of people from city and adjoining areas assembled on this place to watch the reunion of Ram with his brothers. As per tradition, children play the role of Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan and Hanuman. According to tradition, Yadav Bandhu brought the holy chariot of legend characters. The end of the occasion, the chariot carried by Agrawala Bandhu. For the people, the Bharat Milap or Ram Leela is not just a drama but an embodiment of the religion. Following the age old tradition, the Maharaja of Banaras legend scene. Without the Maharaja, the occasion is not started. Festival in the essence of a victory of the nature over evil power. Valmiki and Tulsidas had written the victory of the Lord Rama in their main writings